What it do, Ant family, man? It's your boy Ant, man. Welcome back to my reaction channel, man. It's Ant Reacts, and I'm back at y'all again with another reaction video, family. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what to do for y'all hit my door, man. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all time to handle that business. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate all the love on the videos, man. You know what I'm saying? We back again, baby, with some Top Dog, man. We back with the worst injuries in Top Dog, man. You know what I'm saying? We back with my boy Manor Chimpanzee. Worst injuries. So we finna see, man. We finna see how hurt these niggas finna get. We seen them fight through a lot in Top Dog. You know what I'm saying? So we finna see. Finna see, y'all. Before we get into the video, man, like, comment, subscribe, and family, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, and views. Pushing me in the algorithm, man, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get into this video. What being business, chat?
Работай! Ну, сломай!
Stop time!
What's wrong with that boy?
Stop time,
You
right?
can't see, chat.
Один.
Что ты будешь? Подожди, сейчас.
Man, what's wrong with him?
Ты сейчас видишь, все.
That man said, let's continue.
Куда продолжим?
And he can't see, chat. That's toughness. That's toughness. I give him that. Ooh. That what fucked him up. Bam. That will fuck this out.
Stop time!
What's wrong with that finger?
Подойди, блядь. Дергай вниз.
Ah, his shit popped out. His shit broke, chat. Damn, they said, will you fight with one hand? That boy said it happens in Top Dog. Damn. Damn, that boy still fighting. Woo! And I found out what they be saying, chat, man. They said they saying only Top Dog, man. I appreciate my subscribers, man. They said dude screaming only Top Dog. You feel me? Yeah. I know some Russian, chat. Buddy fighting with a broken finger. Ooh. Woo! He got caught though. Ooh. Yep. Ooh, body shot. Damn. Ooh. He done. Hey, he got heart though, bro. Fighting with a broken fucking hand, nigga. Ain't no way. I would have stopped. I would be like, it's over, bro. Stop the fight, bro. I'm not fighting with this. What? This nigga, then you think about it, you block this nigga punching your fucking broke hand, bro. Hell no. Throw the towel, oh God. That was a good fight, though. Them boys in that bitch getting it all they got. Jay up. Ooh. Both fingers. This shit turned sideways, Jack. Got me holding my hand. That nigga went out there and kept fighting with me. Going with that motherfucker too. There's some above it though in the chat. On this shit. I'm about to rap for y'all this shit. He start teeing off on Buddy then. Bink, bink, bink. Heavy bag work. Bam. Hitting that broke hand. Look, he hitting that boy broke hand, chat. Hey, he teed off on good. That boy fought his ass off. Hey, Top Dog be bumping on it, cuz. Hey, it just went deep on the ground. Damn, that's on them bitches. He fucked his hand up right there. He punching the fuck out, bro. Ooh, his jaw. That nigga jaw broke, chat. Oh my God. Buddy was hitting him hard, man. I heard it. Bow, bow. He hit his ass with too hard right. Nigga shook his hand like, damn. He hit the nigga hard. He hurt himself. Man, the broke cuz jaw, folks. No, cuz jaw is broke. Boy got a golf ball in this shit, chat. One of them Eddie jawbreakers in this shit.
Come on now, dog.
No, this nigga got an Eddie jawbreaker in his jaw, folks. Look at this nigga shit, man. The fight over, big dog. You not getting back out there like that. Man, hell no, man. That's it for the video, chat, man. Let me know what y'all think about these injuries, man. Which one y'all think was the worst injury, man? Rank them bitches. Rank them, bro. From the eye injury, broke hand. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I broke jaw, number one for me. That shit number one on the list, bro. Broke jaw. Can't beat that, man. Your nigga jaw broke. His shit finna be wired shut, man. About his shit finna be wired shut about a good minute, man. A good minute, man. But that's it for the video today, chat, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Show all the support to the boy, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate the subs and all the comments and the likes, shares. I appreciate the love, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep these videos coming, man. Y'all keep supporting, man. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that's our day, man. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, nigga, that's REACTX day. You feel me? We popping up. Go see what he doing. You feel me? So, before I get out of here, family, man, love y'all, Ant family. Like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Ant, man. This REACTX. I'm out.